warm welcome to all the viewers. Sri M.J. Balachandar, Chairman, MVJ College of Engineering, our Principal Dr. P. Mahabaleshwarappa, Vice Principal Ma'am, HODs, parents, students, faculty members and other well-wishers and supporters of this great banyan tree, MVJ Group of Institutions. Today is a day of celebration. It is a day of joy and it is a day of thanksgiving. It is the birth anniversary of our beloved Dr. M.V. Jayaraman, founder of MVJ Group of Institutions. As always, we commemorate this day with our hearts brimming with gratitude for this great visionary, without whom none of us would be present here. We are in unprecedented times, and different time calls for a different course of action. Every year, this day is filled with zest and activity, with students, teachers, all coming together, discussing, organizing, decorating, and making numerous plans to ensure this occasion is a memorable one. But today is different. We cannot be physically together. Nonetheless, as technology has it, we are one and united in remembering this great soul who has done so much for the youth of this nation. Though we are celebrating Founders Day this year virtually, due to the pandemic, it is with fervor that we mark this momentous occasion. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 94th birth anniversary of our founder and mentor of MVJ Group of Institutions, Dr. M.V. Jayaraman. A ray of light is a ray of hope. Light illuminates our hearts and minds and sets us on an eternally bright path. So let's begin this solemn occasion with a lamp lighting ritual to pay reverence to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge.
Mother, with all humility, we pray for your blessings. Bestow on us the wisdom to make this world a better place. May all human beings live in harmony with nature and other forms of life. May truth prevail. May the darkness of ignorance be swept away in the dawn of self-realization. A prayer with a musical note is the key to a propitious morning and a soothing balm to a lovely evening. So to begin this solemn occasion, let's invoke the blessings of the Almighty with a soulful prayer song.
Education brings about an inherent and permanent change in a person's thinking and capacity to do things. It takes a visionary, someone with an unusually keen insight to truly understand the depth of what is needed. Our founder, Dr. M.V. Jayaraman, was a visionary. Through sheer hard work, dedication, and single-minded determination, he established many educational institutions during his lifetime. Today, MVJ Group of Institutions imparts a wide range of skills and knowledge. And none of this would have been possible if it wasn't for Dr. M.V. Jayaraman's firm resolve to make an impact on the world around him. He sought to deliver values and excellence in education across disciplines. Here is a tribute to reminisce the days of Sir's glorious past.
Rising from a simple life, guided by the vision and drive to make a change, inspired by the music of the Veena, Dr. M.V. Jayaraman was nothing short of a miracle maker. As a young boy, he was raised in an agricultural household, but his simplicity and humility did not restrict his passion. He grew up watching education to be a class privilege, and he knew that times must change. Just as independent India woke to a new dawn, Dr. M.V. Jayaraman worked towards a strong academic foundation for himself. He graduated from the Tamil College in Tirupanandal. He taught Tamil and music in Kumbakonam, Trichy, Tiruvarur, Madras, Kollegal in Mysore and in Bangalore. Supported by a meager salary of 140 rupees a month, he worked as a Tamil teacher in the Methodist Mission High School in Bangalore. Dr. M.V. Jayaraman dreamt of equal reach in education to create a level playing field for all, unlike the times he grew up in. He wanted to do away with the caste discrimination by the upliftment of the underprivileged through the power of education. He brought his vision to life, beating the odds, and the visionary Dr. M.V. Jayaraman founded Venkatesha Education Society in 1970, using borrowed funds and hard work, with the years of credibility he had already built for himself. The first teacher training college, Venkatesha TCH College, was created in 1971. This also saw the inception of many more institutions for the years to come, granting certifications to hundreds of teachers and allowing a rising wave of students to follow their academic dreams. This eventually led to the creation of 1982 MVJ College of Engineering, 1985 MVJ Polytechnic, 1993 MVJ Institute of Nursing. Despite a long list of achievements to his credit, Dr. M.V. Jayaraman enjoyed the simple life. Music was his constant companion, and the beauty with which he played the Veena is revered even today. His simplicity, artistic ability, compassion, and immense achievements won him many admirers. He was recognized as a Sendamil Selvar, Tamil scholar, awarded the Kalvi Kavalar, guardian of education, and Tirupani Chemmar, devotee dedicated to God's work. Other such awards were E.L. Isai Mamani, an authority in poetry and music, Dharmarakshamani, philanthropist par excellence. Betterment of the world around him came as a second nature, and he wished for his work and teachings to live long after him. Dr. M.V. Jayaraman lives today through the empire he built and the lives he touched. His teachings and values have spread far and wide with the army of well-equipped young adults that the MVJ institutions have sent into the world. He lives today through his values, through his teachings, and his endless good work. The music from the Veena, even today, invites fond memories of this Sendamil Selvar.
Behind every bright day, there is a resplendent dawn. Behind every flower that blooms, there is a seed which against all odds gives birth to that flower. Behind every little bird that chirps is that mother bird which zealously guards that egg, not taking her eyes away even for a minute till it is hatched and her little one emerges. And behind this great institution is that tireless soul who endured dark days so that many young minds may see the light of education. Yes, our founder, Sri M.V. Jayaraman. It all began in a remote village near Kumbakonam in Tamil Nadu, when Srimati Mangalamal gave birth to her tiny bundle of joy, her son, in 1928. Little did she or her husband, Sri Venkatarama Iyer, know that what was growing up in their household was destiny's child. They named the boy Jayaraman. They were poor resources, but rich in spirit. Being farmers with meek means, they were not able to give their little son the luxuries of life, but they gave him something more than that, the values of life. The values of discipline, hard work, selflessness, and integrity that were to stay with the boy right through his life and shape him into a precious diamond. Young Jayaraman attended a small school in the town of Tirupanandal, 2 kilometers from his native village. Every morning, his tiny feet would walk through the muddy roads to reach his school, never complaining, always eager to acquire knowledge. This thirst for knowledge led him to Tirupanandal Sentamil College after finishing his schooling. Here, he had the good fortune to be taught by stalwarts like Mahavidwan Dandapani Desikar. The rough edges were being chiseled, and a beautiful statue was emerging. He never wasted a single minute, always immersing himself in books and journals. The more he read, the more he wanted to read. He was not one to be satiated easily. His quest for learning continued throughout his life. He graduated in Tamil language and started teaching in Sita Lakshmi Girls High School in Kumbakonam. Later on, he moved to Urumu Dhanalakshmi High School in Trichy. Tamil teachers were highly respected those days. They were called Pandits. His teaching career took him to Madras and then to Kollegal near Mysore. His sincerity and dedication earned him the love of his students. Wherever he went, he attracted like a magnet young men and women eager to imbibe knowledge from him. Students flocked to him like butterflies to flowers. Each and every student was his child, and he taught them as a father would teach his child. Not only knowledge from books, but also the values of life, the values that he himself had been taught by his parents. When teaching was not filling his life, music would step in. He was an accomplished veena player. Yet, all the while, there was this small flame that was burning in his heart, a flame that would soon turn into a beacon of light. As a teacher in a small town, I'm able to serve only a handful of students, he thought. What if I can spread the light of knowledge to thousands of young men and women? It was indeed an audacious dream for a small, insipid school teacher. But he dared to dream. He dared to think big. He dared to think that nothing is impossible if one is determined enough. Indeed, such is the stuff of great people, like the former American President Barack Obama, who used to scoop ice creams in his early days, or Warren Buffett, who sold newspapers. Jeff Bezos started Amazon in a garage. The seat to the famous Harley-Davidson superbikes was sewn in a 15-feet wooden shed. Thomas Alva Edison started his life as a telegraph operator, and our very own people's president, Sri Abdul Kalam, used to distribute newspapers in his tiny village at the southern tip of India. Who would have thought that these men would become the greatest in their chosen fields one day? And the one thing common to all of them, they dared to dream. So did our Dr. MVJ. With his dream in his heart and determination in his mind and nothing in his pocket, he moved to Bangalore in 1968, a place destined to be his karma bhumi. He took up teaching Tamil at the Methodist Mission High School and St. Xavier's High School at a humble salary of just ₹60. By this time, he was married and had children too. Even by the standards of those days, 60 rupees was hardly enough to make ends meet. But not one to give up, he supplemented his meek income by giving veena classes in the evenings. It was a grueling 12-hour workday, but the workaholic that Dr. MVJ was, the tough and stringent schedule became a habit with him, a habit that stayed with him till his last breath. He was now working in a small school in a big city, but never losing sight of his dream. Every morning, he would remind himself of his dream. This job in this school is not my life. I'm made for bigger things, made for spreading the light of education to hordes of youngsters from all sections of society. Taking one baby step at a time, he started planning and slowly moving closer to his dream. Lack of money was never a deterrent, nor a cause of worry for him. With the courage of conviction in his dream, he managed to convince his well-wishers and friends who lent him money. Armed with this money supplementing his own meager savings, he established the Venkatesha Education Society in 1970. Under the auspices of this society, he started an institute for training teachers. Immediately after this, he founded the first D.Ed college in Marathalli in rented premises. The response was positive. Encouraged by this, he started one more D.Ed college in Shivaji Nagar in 1974, this time exclusively for women. With the moderate income that came from all these institutions, he was able to repay his loans and start one more D.Ed college in 1977 in Koramangala. Soon enough, word spread about the quality education that these institutions were offering. Realizing the immense responsibility that he had of grooming good teachers, who would in turn churn out good citizens for the country, he never compromised on quality. In course of time, over 3,000 students from his college got placed as teachers in private and government schools. In 1980, he established a college in Marathalli to offer B.Ed course. Those days, Mr. Malaya was the Director of Public Instruction. He was reputed for his relentless efforts to ensure that the teacher colleges in Karnataka produced good and capable teachers. When such a person joined Dr. MVJ's B.Ed college in Marathalli as its principal, Dr. Jayaraman's joy knew no bounds. He was elated that there were others who understood his vision and strengthened his hands. With 3 colleges to be run and a little money to invest, it was hard work all the way. He used to rent a bicycle every day to reach his office in Shivaji Nagar. Working from this small office, he established the 3 D.Ed colleges in the early 70s. Much later, only after 6 to 7 years, he started using an auto rickshaw for his daily commute. He bought his first car, and the only one he ever owned, a second-hand Ambassador, only in 1977. And this humble car is the one that he would use until his death in 1993. He had no love for material possessions. Soon, Dr. MVJ and his work began to be noticed by those who mattered. Then, the CM of Karnataka sanctioned permissions to start an engineering college, MVJ-CE, in 1982. Yes, he got the sanction, but how was he going to do it? Starting a professional college was no joke. Challenges were many, hurdles were numerous. But he surmounted all these by his sheer will and determination. He started the engineering college in what was a small village those days, Chanasandra. The suburbs of Bangalore those days were not what it is today. The roads were rickety, commute along these roads was bumpy. There was nothing more kilometer after kilometer of barren land and paddy fields all along the way from Marathalli to Whitefield. There were very few houses and fewer transport facilities. Buses were few and far between. The Alembic Gas Factory and the Joy Ice Cream Factory, both near Hope Farm, were the only landmarks in Whitefield. How would students come to this remote area? How would they to cross all these barriers and reach the citadel of learning? But Dr. MVJ never gave up. Patience and perseverance were his biggest virtues. And as the college grew, Chanasandra also grew along with it. There were many poor farmers on the outskirts of Bangalore who yearned to give their children too a bright future. There was no one better than Dr. MVJ to empathize with them and understand their feelings. Lending a ear to the voices of these ordinary and simple people to provide a livelihood for their children, Dr. MVJ started a polytechnic college in 1985. No one knew the craving for knowledge and a better life and the struggle to achieve this more than him. So providing superior education to the needy became the mission of his life. His commitment to education induced him to establish a medical college too in the early 1990s. While the state government gave the sanction, the central government passed an ordinance which barred state governments from giving license to people for starting medical colleges. By this time, age was catching up with Dr. MVJ, and not having the strength to fight the political system, his efforts at offering medical education were nipping in the bud. Due to the constant struggles to bring education within the reach of ordinary people, his health took a beating. While the spirit was intact, the body was showing signs of wear and tear. He was attending a literary meet near Tiruvannamalai, along with Sri Krupananda Warrior, a fellow literator and a saint. He was going there to receive the Kapilar Award that was being conferred upon him. While traveling in a taxi back to Bangalore, he suffered a massive cardiac arrest. The end was sudden and painless. He died on the auspicious day of Chitra Paurnami on 5th May 1993, a death truly befitting a noble soul. Apart from education, music was another lasting passion of his life. Having to fight the tides of time to achieve his dream, he found the much-needed peace of mind in his music. It was truly a stress buster for him. He cherished his association with the greats of Carnatic music, the clarinet maestro A.K.C. Natarajan, flutist N. Ramani, M.S. Subbalakshmi, and others. Among the values that he picked up from his parents was respect for elders. He always encouraged his children to prostrate before elders and seek their blessings. He was meticulous and sought perfection in whatever he did. He would never put up with careless work from anyone around him. He would visit his institutions without prior notice so that his staff were always on their toes. He cared for the downtrodden, having come from the modest background himself. He would waive the fees for the underprivileged. He was concerned about every teacher in his institutions as if they were his own family members. He was the first person who would rush to their aid in times of distress. A great philanthropist, he never hesitated to give back to the society what he had got from it. He donated liberally to educational institutions. He donated to set up libraries where the poor could read and enhance their knowledge. He donated for the advancement of Tamil literature. He donated for the welfare of scholars. He donated for the uplifting educational institutions which were floundering owing to lack of resources. When he gave spontaneously, unselfishly, generously, and unstintingly. He did his best to help others and solve their problems, big or small. No one seeking his help would return empty-handed. As a way of acknowledging his philanthropy and social consciousness, the Tanjavur Tamil University conferred an honorary doctorate on him. Thus, this was when M.V. Jayaraman became Dr. M.V.J. Dr. M.V.J. was a popular figure in the corridors of society those days. His physical appearance singled him out, and his mental stature made him stand tall. Many politicians from different parties sought him out. Former chief ministers, Sri Gundu Rao, Sri Bangarappa, Sri Ramakrishna Hegde, Sri Devegowda, former Prime Minister, Education Ministers, Sri Jeevaraj Alva and Sri Raghupati, Sri PGR Sindhya and Sri Aziz Seth. All these politicians were attracted to him because of his passion for education. He hobnobbed with some of the most powerful men in the country and yet never lost balance or humility. He had several honorable titles bestowed on him: Sentamil Selvar, Tirupani Semal, Dharma Raksha Mani, etc. Speaking about him, Sri Devegowda once said, "He has, without any reservation, helped many poor students and admitted them free of cost to engineering courses. He is a philanthropist loved by one and all, irrespective of caste and creed. He is an able administrator and a firm believer in discipline, and therefore, one cannot forget the yeoman service rendered by him. His discipline and Spartan upbringing made him a hardworking foot soldier. Education and the institutions that he set up were the only things he knew. For the most part of his life, he worked for 12 hours a day, going to his office even on Sundays. He wanted to always stay in touch with his students. Their well-being and academic progress were his paramount concern. He never went on vacations, always allowed himself occasional temple trips. As was the belief with many Orthodox Brahmins, he considered crossing the seas as a sin, so he never went abroad, even though there were many opportunities to do so. His office, which was his second home right from the 1970s till his death, is today the MVJ Smaranalayam, a small museum in his memory, where some of his personal possessions are kept. Whenever his students feel any internal turmoil, they visit this place to find inner peace. The guiding hand of Dr. MVJ continues to shepherd his students even after he is gone. In his memory, MVJCE has instituted 2 gold medals in BTU for toppers in the Master's Program of Aeronautical Engineering. On Founders' Day, the achievements of our meritorious students and staff are acknowledged and celebrated in his memory. Dr. MVJ was an educationist, a gifted musician, a patron of arts, a philanthropist, a scholar, a linguist, and above all, a good human being. His commitment and sincerity helped him overcome many challenges right through his life. He chose the road not taken, a road which men of lesser caliber would fear to take. In the process, he showed the road to education, the road to knowledge, and a road to a better life for countless number of youngsters. Today, the portals of MVJCE reverberate with the fruits of his tireless hard work. The corridors and classrooms resonate with his selfless contributions. Every student who passes out of this institution is guided by that unseen hand of our founder. The best tribute that we can pay to him would be to imbibe and uphold the values he taught, the principles he stood for, and the beliefs and ethics that made him what he was. In a tall order indeed, and to travel along the path that he showed, I seek the blessings of elders and support of youngsters. Let us carry forward the torch lit by our founder, Dr. MVJ, a torch that illuminates lives of young people around us, a torch that inspires young minds to reach great heights. Thank you.
We now have a speech by our principal, Dr. P. Mahabaleshwarappa.
On behalf of the management of our institution, on behalf of the MVJ College of Engineering, today I am extremely happy to welcome all the participant dignitaries, professors, head of the departments, faculty members, staff members, and the students to this momentous occasion of celebrating our Founders' Day. I wish to register our heartfelt appreciation and gratitude to all the COVID-19 warriors, the doctors, the nurses, the paramedical staff, the police force, the army, and the border security forces, and all those unsung COVID warriors who have been tirelessly helping people in need in these trying times. Hats up to every one of them. Henry Ford says, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, and working together is a success. It is indeed mantra of working together that has brought where we are today. Under the guiding spirit of our founder, we have reached heights, touched the pinnacles of the success. Each year brings with lot of applause, all by the blessings of our founder and by the hard work of the students and the faculty and the staff members of our institution. It is my proud privilege to welcome all the viewers to this Founders' Day. It has been our tradition to pay our respects to our founder, Dr. M.E. Jayaraman sir, on his birth anniversary on the 17th May every year. On this day, we renew our pledge to carry forward the legacy of our founder by recognizing the students of our institution for their excellence in academics and sports, of our faculty members of their achievements. I am herewith presenting our college report for the academic year 2020-21 on this August occasion of Founders' Day. MVJ College of Engineering celebrates Founders' Day every year on the 17th of May. This year, however, we are commemorating this day virtually. This was necessitated for ensuring the safety of all the participants from the deadly COVID-19 presently affecting the entire world. The pandemic has certainly not deterred us from celebrating the birthday of our beloved founder Dr. M.V. Jayaraman. We are pleased to stream this entire event in our YouTube as well as Facebook channels today for the benefit of our viewers and well-wishers. Dr. M.E. Jayaraman, the visionary founder of MEJ Group of Institutions, was a man far ahead of his times. It is his thinking that underlines, defines, and shapes all the educational institutions under the auspices of Venkatesha Education Society, which he established as the first step towards revolutionizing the educational landscape of the country. MEJ College of Engineering was established in 1982 at Whitefield, Bangalore. The college is approved by AICTE New Delhi, affiliated to Visvesvaraya Technological University, Belagavi, and recognized by UGC with 2F and 12B status. It has come a long way since its modest beginnings. Today, it is ranked among the first line of engineering colleges in the state of Karnataka, keeping pace with changing times and technologies. It has evolved constantly. The college was confirmed with autonomous status from the academic year 2019-20. It's a matter of great pride for us to have been granted autonomous status. Getting autonomous status was one of the major milestones that the college can enable us to take engineering education to the next level. It is also a recommendation made by National Education Policy 2020. The whole journey of receiving autonomous status would have not been possible but for our Governing Council Chairman, Padma Bhushan Dr. B.N. Suresh, who has been the backbone and a pillar of strength, guiding us our college for the last several years. It would also not been possible without the constant support and continuous encouragement of the eminent members of the Governing Council. The autonomous curriculum has been improved significantly to cater to the needs of the Industry 4.0 by incorporating theoretical and practical elements in the thrust areas. The course curriculum has been structured to perfection by eminent experts from the industry and academia, who are the part of our Board of Studies. The results of the examinations conducted under the new autonomous scheme have been very positive and encouraging compared to previous years. The academicians who are on our Board of Examination have set the bar of high in maintaining the quality of the examination papers and the associated evaluation system and the process. We are proud that our students have performed significantly well in these examinations, a testimony to the fact that our students continue to excel and reach greater heights. From the academic year 2020-21, we have started 2 new courses in emerging areas, be in artificial intelligence and machine learning, and be in data science. We are also on the verge of starting two more new courses in the thrust areas, be in industrial IoT and be in computer science and design from the academic year 2021-22. The proof of successful journey of MEJ College of Engineering lies in the meritorious achievements of our students. Students of MEJ College of Engineering have been regularly securing university ranks. It is with a great pride that we announce that our students bagged 14 university ranks for UG and PG programs in the academic year 2019-20, announced very recently by Visvesvaraya Technological University, Belagavi. MEJCA is positioned 3rd place with respect to the securing university ranks in UG programs for the academic year 2019-20. Here is the roll of honor. Dr. M.E. Jayaraman Gold Medal to the student of BE in Aeronautical Engineering for securing Highest marks is awarded to Miss Shireen Nayaz, Bering University, seat number 1MJ16AA 096. She has secured CGPA of 9.07. Dr. M.E. Jayaraman Memorial Gold Medal to student of M.Tech in Aeronautical Engineering for securing highest marks is awarded to Akshata S, Bering University, seat number 1MJ18 MAE01. Our students from every discipline have always excelled in whatever they have endeavored to do. We wish to place on the record the significant achievements of our students during the academic year 2020-21. Our team Abhimanyu, comprising of Sarthak Dinesh Deshmukh, Nehal Patel Amir Abdul, Shireen Nayaz and Kirti of 8th semester Aeronautical Engineering won the first prize of Rs 20,000 in the National Aircraft Conceptual Design Competition 3, organized by IIT Bombay and Aeronautical Society of India, on the topic Conceptual Design and Sizing of a High Altitude Long Endurance Aerial Platform. 15 teams of our students presented a paper at the Young Scientist Conference at the India International Science Festival 2020 in virtual mode from 22nd to 25th December 2020. Rupees 5,000 was awarded to all these teams as an appreciation by our college. Final year chemical engineering student V. Divakar secured third prize in Young Scientist Conference 2020 under the theme Frontier Area of Research Chemical Sciences on the topic Assessment of Renewable Alternatives to the Coal based on their high heating value and global warming potential, organized by the Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Earth Science, Government of India from 22nd to 25th December 2020. Anupama JP of 5th semester secured first position at the Young Scientist Conference organized in the virtual mode from 14 to 22nd December 2020 on the topic Online Voting System using Firebase ML Toolkit. Deepthi Singh of 5th semester secured third position at the Young Scientist Conference organized in virtual mode from 14 to 22nd December 2020 on the topic Online Yoga Pose Assessment for Self-Learning. Pavan A and Venu of 7th semester Aeronautical Engineering and Harsha of 7th semester Electronics and Communication Engineering presented a model on acoustic agriculture at the event India International Science Festival 2020 organized by Ministry of Science and Technology, held from 22nd to 25th December 2020 and won the second place. Spurti Kannur, Akhil Babi and Rajat Kumar of 5th semester Computer Science and Engineering secured a second position in Aclathon 2.0 organized by Bangalore Chamber of Industry and Commerce in association with Centralized Placement Cell, VTO Belagavi from 12th to 30th November 2020. Pavan A and Venu, Yashwant and Usha of 7th semester Aeronautical Engineering and Harsha of 7th semester Electronics and Communication Engineering participated in IIC National Innovation Contest organized by Ministry of Education, Government of India on 8th November 2020. Mentoring was started for this team after the first stage of selection. Now they have been selected for the second round. Pavan A, Venu of 7th semester Aeronautical Engineering and Harsha of 7th semester Electronics and Communication Engineering participated in 11th International Student Project Competition organized by Weltech University Chennai from 24th to 25th February 2021 and secured first place on the theme of Life on Land, They won the first place with a cash prize of rupees 8,000 for their project titled Acoustics, Magnetics and Vibration Induced Smart Agricultural Methods and Devices. Many more students won accolades at various competitions and forums, bringing great honor to our institution. Our faculties have been producing 100% results in many of the subjects regularly, apart from publishing papers in the journals of the repute, bringing great amount of funds to their projects from AICTE, NIAS, DST, ARDB and DRDO, etc. With this, I conclude the presentation of the brief report of our institution before the August gathering. Thank you one and all.
It is the founder's birth anniversary of my elder brother.
The true legend, Dr. M.V. Jayaraman.
Because of his dedication for the education. He was a very, very simple man.
He was a man with a great vision for this country and for our society. The very initiative of starting an education institution was to empower the individuals, through empowering individuals, empowering the entire society and the country.
And the life story of Jayaraman, what inspires, should inspire all of you who are going to see a big future.
We will now be awarding all the VTU rank holders, the student toppers, and the paper publications by the faculties and students of MVJC done in the past year. The first category of awards is faculty paper publications in Scopus or SCI journals for the academic year 2020 to 2021. The cash prize of rupees 5,000 is awarded to faculty members who publish papers in SCI journals with a high impact factor. The cash prize of rupees 1,000 is awarded to faculty members who have published papers in Scopus journals with a medium impact factor. This recognition is to motivate faculty members to publish papers in Scopus and SCI journals with a high impact factor. Let's start with Professor S.C. Gupta from the Aeronautical Department for the effect of subsonic compressibility and constraints on generation of 3D optimal camber shapes.
I am grateful to the college management for giving me appreciation certificate towards publication of my recent paper. This paper focuses on reduction of induced drag more than 50%. This concept is being applied for generation of minimum drag camber for maximum range and endurance performance for a jet plane and for a prop plane. The book published by me, titled Applied Computational Fluid Dynamics through Wiley India 2019, is also to refer for all my works. Thank you very much.
We then have Professor R. Vijay Kumar from the Aeronautical Department for the experimental and numerical validation of unmanned aerial vehicle structure fabricated using graphene-based polymer matrix composites.
So I thank the management, principal and vice principal for selecting me for this award.
Thank you, sir. We then have Professor B. Rahul, again from the Aeronautical Department, for the optimal method for determination of Rayleigh damping coefficients for different materials using model analysis.
Yeah, I feel happy for receiving this honor, and I would like to thank the management for giving such kind of appreciation. Thank you all.
We then have Dr. Vinod Kumar V from Computer Science and Engineering for the design and evaluation of Wi-Fi offloading mechanism in heterogeneous network.
Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to me I am immensely grateful for the prize given to me by my management, MVJCE. I would like to express my sincere thanks to the management of MVJCE, especially Chairman Sir and the Principal, Vice Principal, Controller of Examination, then the HOD, Head of the Department, and my dear colleagues. They give the wonderful support to conduct the research and publish the article in the reputed journal.
Dr. D. Tamilarasi from ECE branch for the design of radio frequency integrated circuit for RF to DC power converter for biomedical application.
I'm grateful to the management for giving this appreciation towards my recent paper publication, and I take this moment to thank Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, and Head of the Department for their constant support and encouragement to do R&D activities. I'll do my best to merit this honor. Thank you all.
We then have Dr. Anand G. from Mechanical Engineering for the influence of abrasive water jet parameters on hybrid polymer composites.
I am very much grateful towards the management for their appreciation given to me towards my recent paper publication. I take this opportunity to thank our respected and honorable Chairman Sir, our respected Principal Sir, and our respected Vice Principal Ma'am for their constant support and guidance given in the area of research and development. I will do my best to merit this honor. Thank you.
Dr. Manar Manan from ISC branch for the independent document ranking for e-learning using semantic-based document term classification.
First of all, I'm so really happy for honoring me for the Founders Day. I would like to say my sincere thanks to the management and the Principal Sir and the Vice Principal Madam. And also I extend my sincere thanks to our department faculty members for their constant support. So the legacy continues. Thank you.
We then have N. Tamil Selvam from Aeronautical Engineering for the high temperature stability of titanium, boride, reinforced alumina silicon carbide based composite.
First of all, I want to thank the management, principal and vice principal for selecting me to this award. Also, I want to thank my faculty colleagues for the continuous support during the research. Working in MVJCE is a great pleasure and honor. So I want to congratulate the management and the departments of MVJCE for producing number of university rank holders in the last academic year.
We once again have N. Tamil Selvan from Aeronautical Engineering for the reinforcements, manufacturing techniques, and respective property changes of AL203/silicon carbide based composites. We have Dr. Samya Mishra from Tripoli for the analysis and experimental evaluation of novel hybrid fuzzy based sliding mode control strategy for performance enhancement of PV fed DSTA-T-COM.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Soumya Misra, Associate Professor from Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. I am grateful to the management of MBJ College of Engineering for appreciating my research and publications. I sincerely thank Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am and COE Sir and my colleagues for their constant support and encouragement to do the research. Thank you all.
The next category of award is BTU rank holders for the academic year 2019 to 2020. The cash prize of Rs 25,000 is awarded to all the rank holders to recognize their achievements. I would request Principal Sir Dr. P. Mahabaleshwarappa to call upon the BTU rank holders and do the honors. The next category of award is BTU rank holders for the academic year 2019 to 2020. The cash prize of Rs 25,000 is awarded to all the rank holders to recognize their achievements. I would request Principal Sir Dr. P. Mahabaleshwarappa to call upon the BTU rank holders and do the honors.
I am very happy with great pride to announce that our 14 students bagged university ranks for UG and PG programs during the academic year 2019-20, announced very recently by the Visvesvaraya Technological University, Belagavi. By this, I am proud to state that our institution is positioned in third place with respect to the securing of university ranks in UG programs. Now, may I call upon the rank holders, Ms. Shereen Nayaz from Aeronautical Engineering Department, she has secured first rank. Many congratulations for your great achievements.
Achieving the VTO rank 1 wouldn't have been possible without the constant support of our college. Each and every professor of our department, aeronautical department, who have always inspired me and helped me in my engineering. My friends who have always been my very own personal cheerleaders, and my family who have always been there for me, motivating me and uplifting my spirits. So I'd like to thank each and every one of them for being with me in this journey. As we all know, our department, aeronautical department, has always secured the top ranks in the VTU. So I am honored to be able to continue that legacy and make a name for our college. Even today, after achieving this and receiving the gold medal from the university in person, I'm not able to believe that I have achieved this, because it was never in my mind to be able to secure the VTO rank. It was always about me being a perfectionist, so I had to work in a way that I was on par with what is the benchmark. So when the day when we got this news that I have achieved this, my friends are messaging me. I'm like, don't joke around. And I did not believe that. Only after when my professor called me and informed me that you have topped the university and you're getting a prize for this, that was when it felt like, okay, I have achieved this, but still it's not fully sunk in yet. So that is one of those moments where you never forget them. It's once in a lifetime moment where you make your parents so proud, your professors and teachers so proud. And that's something which I'll never forget, I guess, in my life.
Now I call upon Sahana from Aeronautical Engineering Department. She has secured the second rank. Heartfelt congratulations for your great achievement.
First of all, I'd like to thank my family for being the backbone of the success. Thank you, Principal Sir and the management for their excellent way of conducting exams during the pandemic and always. Most importantly, I would like to thank the Aeronautical Department for their excellent guidance and notes that they provided, which helped us score better in the university exams. I'd like to thank my friends who helped me when I fell and cheered me when I won. They also inspired me to make my own notes, which is really useful during last moment revisions. There's so much more to cherish, but it would be very nice if we could meet everybody offline and do it together. So thank you MVJC for making me realize my passion towards aeronautics, work hard towards it and come out with flying colors, and the legacy continues. Thank you everyone for listening. Hope you have a nice day. Stay safe.
Now, may I call upon Ms. B. Tirtha Bhimaya, again from Aeronautical Engineering Department. She has secured third rank. Congratulations for best achievement.
This wouldn't have been possible without the support of my teachers and the blessings of Almighty. On this occasion, I would like to thank Principal Sir for all the help and support during the examinations conducted in the pandemic. Management for all the amazing facilities provided in the campus, be it the well-equipped labs or the well-stocked library, having not just the books but also the previous year question papers. All my lecturers who gave such wonderful notes in class and were always ready to help in times of need. My hostel mates and friends for all the last-minute revision and exam stress relief. And my parents for being there with me at all times. And finally, I would like to give some credit to myself for all the efforts put in the last 4 years, be it my love for compiling elaborate notes, which I'm sure have benefited many, studiously doing all assignments on time and being meticulous in preparing for the exams.
Now I call upon Ms. Ushmita K. secured her 10th rank from Aeronautical Engineering Department. Many congratulations.
I want to congratulate each and everyone who has secured rank in VTU University. Constant support of our lecturers, our parents and friends that we are able to achieve this. Thanks for giving opportunity.
Now I call upon Soumya Shreyas from Chemical Engineering Department. She has secured first rank. Many congratulations for your greatest achievement.
I'm very happy to be here, and I would like to thank everyone
the faculty, the management, and all my friends for the support throughout and for being a part of this beautiful journey. Thank you.
Now I call upon Mr. Abdullah Mursid, BM from Chemical Engineering Department. He has secured second rank. Heartiest congratulations for your achievement.
First of all, I like to thank MVJC for this wonderful opportunity. My sincere thanks to HOD and faculties of Chemical Engineering Department and management of MVJC for this award.
Now I call upon Mr. Arjun Kumar A from Chemical Engineering Department. He has secured 6th rank. Many congratulations.
So I'll take this opportunity to thank the management of the MVJC and as well as the Department of Chemical Engineering. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Now I call upon Mr. Dhanush P from Chemical Engineering Department. He has secured 7th rank. Many congratulations.
I thank the teachers of my department as well as my parents for their constant support in order to achieve this. Thank you.
Now I call upon Mr. T.M. Vaishnav Prabhu from Mechanical Engineering Department. He has secured 7th rank. Heartiest congratulations for your great achievement.
I am very much pleased and humbled to receive this award. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude towards our principal sir, Vice Principal Ma'am and other staff members of MVJCE. I would like to thank my parents who are my supporting pillars of my life and all the faculty members as well as friends who gave me constant support throughout this wonderful journey. Very much excited and thank you everyone.
Now I call upon Ms. Kaveri Hebal from Medical Electronics. She has secured 1st rank. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. And I thank all the faculty members of MVJC as well as my family members. Without their support, I wouldn't be able to achieve this. Thank you so much once again.
Now I call upon Varsha BT again from Medical Electronics. He has secured 2nd rank. Congratulations for well-deserved success.
I would like to thank all my superiors and my friends for helping me and guiding me to achieve this rank, without which it couldn't have been possible. It's really hard to put my feelings into words, but nevertheless, I'm glad and it is really an important and momentous day in my life. Thank you. The legacy continues.
Now I call upon Kusuma D from MTech in Transportation Engineering, secured 1st rank. Many warmest congratulations on your great achievement.
I really want to thank MVJCE management and really I'm honored to receive it, and also I want to thank my civil engineering faculty and especially my project guide Chickmaster and also my family and friends. Thank you.
Akma Devi ND from the Aeronautical Engineering Department. She has secured 5th rank. Many congratulations for your greatest achievement. Mr. Aman Soni from Aeronautical Engineering Department. He has secured 8th rank. Great congratulations for your achievement. With this, I conclude the presenting the rank holders and achievers from the student section during the academic year 2019-20.
Principal sir, for your wonderful words. I would now like to invite our Vice Principal, Professor M. Brinda, to congratulate the student toppers from MVJC.
A warm welcome to all the students, parents and faculty members. The next category of award is Student Toppers for the academic year 2019-20. From Aeronautical Engineering, we have Kaushik from 2nd year. He has secured 9.93 CGPA from 1st semester. Congratulations, Kaushik.
Thank you so much. It's really an honor to receive this award. And at this beautiful moment, I want to thank all the faculty members who have put in so much effort to make us understand all the concepts and helped us to achieve more grades. And also, I want to thank all my family members and all my friends who have been with me all along. Thank you.
From 3rd year Aeronautical Engineering, we have Sunidhi Gupta. She has secured 88.25% from 1st semester. Congratulations, Sunidhi Gupta.
I would like to share this award with my parents who have always let me do what I wanted to, and all my teachers who have taught me throughout this journey, and Principal Ma'am, management and everyone who has been a part of it. Thank you so much. It was not possible without you. Thank you.
From 4th year Aeronautical Engineering, we have Shushma Shri. She has secured 88.8% from first semester. Congratulations, Shushma Shri.
I thank my institution, my HOD, my faculties all over the academics for their constant support. It gives me immense pleasure to receive this award. Thank you one and all present.
From Aerospace Engineering, we have Karthik S from 2nd year. He has secured 9.85 CGPA from first semester. Congratulations, Karthik.
Today, winning an award in the first year of my journey in MVJC makes me feel more proud and motivated to achieve my goals. I would first like to thank the management for presenting me with this award. I would also like to thank my parents who has provided me constant support throughout and thought my goal as their goal. I would like to express my gratitude towards the faculties who had helped me by solving my doubts and explaining me the concepts clearly. I would also like to thank my friends who has motivated me throughout and helped me in achieving this rank.
In Chemical Engineering, we have Swarupa Dar from 2nd year. She has secured 8.85 CGPA from first semester. Congratulations, Swarupa Dar.
Thank you, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, and the teachers who have been giving constant support to me. And also, this award makes me inspires me and makes me to work even harder for my future. Thank you, everyone.
From 3rd year Chemical Engineering, we have Sri Diksha. She has secured 9.18 CGPA from first semester. Congratulations, Sri Diksha.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank my lecturers for their guidance and constant encouragement. Thank you.
From 4th year Chemical Engineering, we have Chavalet Sri Sangeeta. She has secured 8.94 CGPA from first semester. Congratulations.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank the management, staff of MVJCE and my parents for their constant support and encouragement. Thank you.
From Computer Science Engineering, we have 2 toppers from 2nd year. Mayank, he has secured 9.9 CGPA from first semester. Congratulations, Mayank.
Good evening, everyone. I am extremely humbled to achieve this award. I would like to thank my parents, my lecturers, principal, Ms. Vice Principal, and all the staff members for the constant support provided by them. Thank you.
We have another topper from 2nd year, Joel Thomas Chaco. He has also secured 9.9 CGPA from first semester. Congratulations, Joel Thomas Chaco.
I would like to extend my thanks to all the teachers who have taught me in the first and second sem, my parents, the college management, the principal, and to God above for their constant sources of support and encouragement. It wouldn't be possible without you all. Once again, thank you.
From 3rd year Computer Science Engineering, we have Prithviraj. He has secured 90.1% from first semester. Congratulations, Prithviraj.
I would like to thank the management, teaching and non-teaching staff. It would not be possible without your constant support, and I thank all the VTU rank holders.
From 4th year Computer Science Engineering, we have Jonah Jacob Oman. She has secured 88.67% from first semester. Congratulations, Jonah Jacob Oman.
I'm grateful for the award and would like to thank my family and all the faculty members from CSE department for guiding me throughout these 4 years. Thank you.
From Civil Engineering, we have Manoj Kumar from 2nd year. He has secured 9.18 CGPA from first semester. Congratulations, Manoj Kumar. From 3rd year Civil Engineering, we have Niranjan. He has secured 85.72% from first semester. Congratulations, Niranjan.
I would like to thank MVJC and the civil department, HOD and faculty members. Thankful once again.
From 4th year Civil Engineering, we have Vishweshwara. He has secured 81.08% from first semester. Congratulations, Vishweshwara.
I would like to thank all the department staff and the friends for being throughout the journey.
From 3rd year Electronics and Communication Engineering, we have Lena Juliet. She has secured 90.5% from first semester. Congratulations, Leah Juliet.
Thank you, ma'am. I also want to thank the management along with all the staff members who had helped me. Thank you, everyone.
From 4th year Electronics and Communication Engineering, we have Revant. He has secured 92.85% from first semester. Congratulations, Revant.
It feels so excited for me getting this award for the 3rd consecutive year. I thank all my professors, and without them this wouldn't be possible. Thanks for the management for awarding me these things. Thank you so much.
Electrical and Electronics Engineering, we have Yogesh Ganapati Naik from 2nd year. He has secured 8.98 CGP from first semester. Congratulations, Yogesh.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to thank Principal and Vice Principal for giving me this award.
From 3rd year Electrical and Electronics Engineering, we have Sindhu. She has secured 83.88% from first semester. Congratulations, Sindhu.
I would like to thank Principal Sir and Vice Principal Ma'am and my faculty members and my parents who have supported me to do my best. Without them, it won't be possible. Once again, thank you all of you.
From 4th year Electrical and Electronics Engineering, we have Madhusudan. He has secured 83.23% from first semester. Congratulations, Madhusudan.
This is Madhusudan from Tripoli Department, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank the college management, the faculties of Tripoli, and all my friends for the constant support and encouragement. Thank you, everyone.
Information Science and Engineering, we have Rachel Margaret from 2nd year. She has secured 9.75 CGPA from first semester. Congratulations, Margaret.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm very privileged to be receiving this award. I would like to thank my family and all my IS teachers for their help and support. Thank you.
From 3rd year Information Science and Engineering, we have Tanya Mankotia. She has secured 86.97% from first semester. Congratulations, Mankotia.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I would like to thank my family, friends, and yes, obviously the faculty members of my department. Thank you so much.
From 4th year Information Science and Engineering, we have Arya Karthikeyan. He has secured 82.23% from first semester. Congratulations, Arya.
I'm extremely grateful for receiving this award for the 4th time, which wouldn't have been possible without the constant support and encouragement of my lecturers. I would like to encourage the upcoming batches to make use of every opportunity that is put forth by this institution. Thanking each one of you for your time. Good day.
For Mechanical Engineering toppers, we have Vinay Deepak Award. Vinay Deepak Award was instituted by the parents of Vinay Deepak, who was an outstanding student in mechanical engineering and who passed away in an unfortunate train accident in the middle of his semester. In his remembrance, this award is being given to the topper of mechanical engineering stream every year on this day. We could not invite parents of Vinay Deepak to the campus this year because of the current pandemic. In 2nd year Mechanical Engineering, we have Kamalesh Kumar. He has secured 8.6 CGPA from first semester. Congratulations, Kamalesh Kumar.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to thank the management, my family and my friends. Without their support, this couldn't have happened. Thank you again.
From 3rd year Mechanical Engineering, we have Divi Pavan Sai. He has secured 84.74% from first semester. Congratulations, Pavan Sai.
Thank you, ma'am. It's clearly a great honor for me to attain this special award from the management of our college, and I'm really obliged to receive this from you. Thank you, ma'am.
From 4th year Mechanical Engineering, we have Faraz Khan. He has secured 81.6% from first semester. Congratulations, Faraz Khan.
I would like to thank my parents and teachers for always supporting me and keeping me motivated. I would also like to thank Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, and NGM Productions for organizing such a successful and great event. Thank you.
From MBA, we have Chandrakala from second year. She has secured 8.92 CGPA from first semester. Congratulations, Chandrakala.
Firstly, I would like to thank MVJCE for organizing this event and recognizing her efforts. It's my pleasure being a part of this event, and it's kind of hope in this pandemic situation. And I would also thank our HOD, Dr. Vijay Kumar Sir, for all his support and all other faculty members of MBA. Thank you so much.
The next category of award is Students Paper Publications in Journals for the academic year 2019-20. We have Revant B from final year Electronics and Communication Engineering. He has published a paper, Survey on Deep Neural Network in Medical Imaging, in the Journal of Kwazon University of Science and Technology in April 2021. The paper has been published in Scopus Index Journal. Congratulations, Revant.
Thank you, ma'am. It means a lot. I thank Geeta ma'am, who was my who's a research scholar as well, for constant guidance and support. Thank you. Thanks for the ma'am, and thanks for the management as well. Thank you.
From Electronics and Communication Engineering, we have Karuna Sharma from second year. She has secured 9.65 CGPA from first semester. Congratulations, Karuna Sharma. From Medical Electronics, we have Divya from fourth year. She has secured 84.88% from first semester. Congratulations, Divya. We congratulate all the students and all the awardees on behalf of management and staff of MBJ College of Engineering.
The digital camera ingrained into the digital gold mine we have in our pockets is a great invention because it allows us to reminisce. Our pictures are our footprints. It's the best way to tell people we were here. 2 weeks ago, we asked you all to submit a photo with a caption or a story, capturing a moment you dearly held, to reminisce the life at MBJ, the college life all of us had pre-pandemic. Presenting to you a video montage made from the selected submissions submitted by the students of MBJC. Enjoy. Congratulations. A pessimist complains about the wind, an optimist tries to change it, and a leader adjusts the sails. The sails for this event have been well adjusted. The leader within us has taken charge, and now it's time to seize the day. Carpe diem, and head in the direction which we believe is right. I would like to thank all those who have been watching this virtual celebration of our Founders Day and paying their respects to our founder. First and foremost, a big thanks to all the parents out there, without whose cooperation we students would have found it extremely difficult to tread the path shown by our founder. Our dear alumni, thank you. You have always been there for us and kept the MVJ flag flying high, wherever you are. And of course, thank you dear students and faculty members who will always be the pillars of our college. We will surely meet in better circumstances in 2022 to once again celebrate the life of our founder. I am Akhil Bobby, and it was a pleasure being your host. Thank you.